Hello everyone, my name is Amit Yadav. I am from IIT Roorkee and my team number is 66. I have created my project of MS Teams clone using Firebase and Flutter and used agile methodology in creating it. I have used Flutter as it is the same UI and business logic in all platforms, and same code can be used for iOS, Android and web. It has reduced code development time, and Firebase because it provides us with fast and safe hosting, reliable and extensive databases. I have used agile methodology here by first completing all my basic requirements, video conferencing and chat here as my first priority. Then after designing and developing this feature, I have set my second priority as adding an authentication feature here. uh, and let's authenticate here. So I have entered my username as Amit Yadav 4 and my email ID as Amit Yadav 4 times 4 at the rate gmail.com, and my password is Amit Yadav 4444, that is 4 times 4, and all the data will be stored in the Firebase authentication here in the Firestore database. So let's first sign up, and on logging in, so the authentication was my second priority, while the third priority was the assignments activity and calendar feature. As soon as the development of all these features ended within a period of 3 weeks, I developed some extra features, namely a news app feature, a to-do list, a QR code creator and a QR code scanner, and an OCR, that is optical character recognition, which converts writing in photos to text format representing respectively on the priority basis with the help of some awesome Flutter packages like Flutter ML Vision, Firebase storage, Cloud Firestore, table calendar, etc. So I'm logging in. Uh, mm, so this is my app. The video calling feature is here. Where first we have to this is the profile where we can our username is saved, and and this is the create meeting where we create a code 1D4459. We will join a meeting with the name 1D4459, and our username I will let it be default, and the video is off because since we are using Android emulator. And I will join the meeting. This has three features: the mute feature, the video call feature, and the chat in call feature. So I have joined from my mobile phone to tell you that this feature works. And hello, 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 hello. You can hear my audio. And there are in-call features like I can chat here. So this is in-call chat feature, which I have messaged from my mobile phone. I will type hi, hi, and it works. This can further become short and expand and compress like this. And let's move on to the next feature. So the next feature is the chat feature, which works here perfectly. I can send any messages here like hi, and it will be sent, or I can upload any pictures here which I have uploaded earlier itself. It is uploading, uh, and it will be stored in the Firebase storage. So the data is being stored here in the users file, and the messages are stored here. uh, this was the message, and this was the photo, and the image is being stored here. This was the image I just sent right now itself, the photo. uh, and the other feature is activity, where we can view our activities. We can post or we can join any meeting here with any particular meeting code, and the assignments can be uploaded here. The assignments uploaded here will be stored in the Firestore storage. It's being uploaded here. As it uploads, it will be stored in these files, and this is the folder which has been uploaded right now. And let's move on to the next feature, which is calendar. In calendar we can add any events, uh, like meeting 1.0 is the event which I want to add. It's been added. On 21st I want to add an event which is Amit Y Yadav. Consider me as an event. The event has been created, and we can sort the events according to what we want in the 2 weeks format or a single particular week format. And these are the extra features which I have added. This is the real-time news app which can be from the made from the API key from newsapi.org. And we are, as we are in office, we need some get to some daily updates about what is happening inside the world, or so we can't switch tabs and it becomes a lengthy process. So this is my news app, and this is the approvals app, which is no other than no which is same as the assignments app. And this is the to-do list. To-do list has very much importance. The to-do list helps us organize our task and make it more manageable and makes us feel grounded. Seeing a clear outcome here, we can do many more things, and it will keep our tasks organized and feel us mentally strong. Like consider an event, homework which I have to do. Homework is an event which I have created, which I have to do within a particular time. So after the work is done, I will either checkbox to make it crossed, or I will just swipe and delete the to do. So the to do has been deleted. We get a notification here, and this is the QR feature. A QR helps us share some valuable information which might not be directly interpreted by any person. Like if we want to create a 6-digit meeting code, it can be 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will write it and it will be created. Like you can see the changes which had happened here, and it works. And oh, sorry. And this is the scan QR code option. Since I'm using an emulator, I can't access the camera here. So like I can't access the camera only this time. Uh, yeah, you can see this works. And this is an OCR feature, which is an extra feature which I have added. OCR stands for optical character recognition, which will recognize all the text in the given pictures which we want to send to any particular person who wants to edit the thing. We can't send a JPG format and edit it. So this is the words text written in this picture, which is shown downwards. The poster shop Grand Canyon, you can see here it is written the Grand Canyon. The text here is the poster shop. And that's it. This is my project which I have made using Firebase. And thank you, Microsoft.